My name is Bianca G. I started singing when I was 9 years old. And from there, I fell in love with it because I love bringing entertainment to people. And that's my way of expressing my emotions. I can't explain it. The first time I felt being depressed was when I did my vocal polyp removal surgery. It was so depressing because I felt like I lost myself in there and I felt devastated. I couldn't continue singing and my dreams were shattered into pieces. I was in shock. That's when I felt like I lost my identity. I feel defeated, like what's my purpose in life? Because my speaking voice before used to be like, hi, like that. Like chipmunk. So I was so lost. I don't know what to do in my life. Like I felt like I have no purpose anymore. I was so glad and blessed that I met my coworker. He introduced me to fitness. He helped me to, see life in a different perspective. So that's when I started going to the gym. And that's when I found a different purpose in life again. There's still hope. It's still not end of the world. There's still hope in that. Ever since I started going to the gym, it helped me to become mentally, physically stronger in how I handle emotions. And gradually, it started giving me a different perspective in life. I started becoming more confident. I became a different person, a happier person. That's when I knew what my purpose is. I have to do something for the people, for them to be able to experience the same thing that I'm experiencing, because this feels good. I want to share this to the people who are experiencing the same, because probably they're thinking, there's no hope anymore. This is the end of the tunnel. When I started doing fitness, that's when I pledged myself, I'm gonna help out people because this feels good. They have to feel the same way that I am feeling. So I have to share this happiness to people. I'm there to inspire and motivate them. I need to help them realize that there's still hope. You can still change the way you think. And when you change the way you think, that's when everything changes around you. I feel so fulfilled and satisfied. If someone is feeling depressed, the first thing that I would advise is move your body. You still need to do something for yourself. You still need to take care of yourself. Go to the park, be in the nature. I know some people don't like sun, but we're designed to move. We're not designed to just sit down and do nothing. So I would suggest maybe find something that you're passionate about. If you like dancing, something that will fire you up. I feel so blessed, and for me to be able to help out other people to doing the things that I love doing, and for me to be able to share it with other people is one of the greatest blessings.